Hi, my name is Doji Eslikaya, and that's me, a 21 years old student at Nyana Aerospace University, taking up a Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Technology. I started my OJT days on January 9, 2023 at IAU Aerodrome located at Ormoc City. Purpose of our OJT in IAU Aerodrome is for us to be prepared for our chosen career. This is the time that I need to expand more on my knowledge and skills, on how I communicate and cooperate with other people as a team. In our OJT days, I was very happy with the company that I was with. I've learned a lot of things, especially in the career that I'm in. In our OJT, we are divided into two groups so that our work become much more easier. Every day, we have lots of tasks to be accomplished, especially when we are assigned the refueling station, just like marshalling the aircraft. Refueling the aircraft. Fire guard the aircraft. And one of the most common work is towing. And here is the challenging part when you are assigned in a refueling station. The changing of gas barrel. That we need 3 persons to carry the gas barrel. This is only for the refueling station task. And the next day we are assigned in the hangar.
When we are assigned at the hangar, our duty is more on cleaning the hangar, cleaning the aircraft, maintaining that our aircraft is clean, arranging the different types of tools. Also, we arrange the different types of bolts, nuts, and screws. Before the aircraft fly, we need to do first the pre-flight inspection so that we are assured that our aircraft is airworthy. We use the AMO certificate when we do the pre-flight inspection. Here, we changing the tire. Also here, we clean the spark plug. This is the most common work in 50 hours and 100 hours inspection. Here, we fix the nose landing gear with my chief mechanic. Also, in the aircraft, there are some parts that we need to safety wire, just like what you see in the video.
In this OJT, I know that I developed some skills and learned some things that were new for me. I know this will help me in my future career. My advice to those who will take their practicum program in the near future is to be mature enough. Think first if it is good for your team, not only for yourself. And be ready to always face every problem in life. Sometimes you think that you do good thing, but in the end, you are making a mistake. This practicum is a sample of what your chosen career looks like. That is why you should do your best and be prepared. This is your boy, Doji Likayan, signing off. Thank you.